We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of JOYIN 65-inch Halloween decoration Cocoon corpse, that's include. Creepy Cocoon. 65-inch hanging cocoon corpse is a great scary Halloween prop for your Halloween events, spooky entertainment, ghost party, haunted houses, and other themed occasions. Easy to install and store. It has a string on its foot area making it easier to hang this indoor or outdoor. Be sure to put this in a dry place as this hanging cocoon man decor is not waterproof. After using, secure the product and store in a nice dry place. This can be reused for your yearly Halloween party. Ideal Halloween decor. It is equipped with the sound sensor that will activate its scary yellow light and tremble and make a scary sound, which could create more horrific scenes and scare the guests and trick-or-treaters out. Requires 3 AA batteries, not included, to activate these functions. Premium quality. Made of high-quality latex, plastic, and fabric. The durable material allows you to store and reuse. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.